What do you get when you combine the world's largest fixed dome, a history of hosting the most Super Bowls, and a $560 million transformation? You get the Caesars Superdome, a megastructure that's as much a part of football history as it is a feat of engineering. But what makes the Caesars Superdome stand out as the ultimate venue for Super Bowls? And what's new in this 50-year-old stadium that keeps it relevant in the modern era? Let's find out. It all begins with the Superdome's remarkable design and engineering. When it was completed in August 3, 1975, it redefined what a stadium could be. The structure wasn't just large, it was groundbreaking. At the heart of its story lies an innovative approach to scale, durability, and functionality, making it a model for arenas worldwide. Up to today, it remains the world's largest fixed dome structure, spanning an impressive 680 feet in diameter. With its roof rising 273 feet above the ground, it offers a vast and versatile interior space. At its core is a steel frame resting on a concrete base, a design that combines strength and durability, a critical consideration for a building of this scale. The roof, a lamellar steel construction, was revolutionary when it was completed in 1975. Covering 9.7 acres or 440,000 square feet without a single obstructing column or post, the design created an expansive, open arena. This innovative structure could accommodate a wide variety of events, from sports games to concerts, with ease. Inside, the main arena floor spans 166,180 square feet, nearly 4 acres, making it adaptable to everything from football games to massive trade shows. Compared to its predecessor, the Houston Astrodome, the Superdome was a significant leap forward, doubling in size and setting new standards for large-scale venue design. The Superdome wasn't just built to impress, it was built to endure. Designed specifically to withstand New Orleans' unpredictable and often harsh climate, the roof was engineered to survive winds of up to 200 miles per hour, offering a vital line of defense against hurricanes. The second level was placed 10 meters above ground, calculated to remain safe from floodwaters even in extreme conditions. Its advanced climate control system could manage 125 million cubic feet of air, supported by 9,000 tons of air conditioning capacity, ensuring the comfort of thousands of attendees while meeting the demands of the environment. The Superdome's exterior is as remarkable as its interior. Nearly 400,000 square feet of aluminium panels clad its surface, each panel custom designed with a fade-resistant bronze finish. These panels were not just about aesthetics. They were chosen to withstand New Orleans' humid climate, reducing the need for frequent maintenance while giving the dome its iconic, gleaming appearance. As the second domed stadium ever built, the Caesars Superdome broke new ground in both scale and design. Its construction introduced ideas that would influence the design of arenas worldwide, blending structural resilience with functionality. Over the years, it has hosted 7 Super Bowl games so far, with an 8th scheduled for 2025, making it the most used venue in NFL history for the big game. Combined with 3 other championships held at Tulane Stadium, New Orleans has been home to 10 Super Bowls, which shows why it's a favorite destination for the NFL. The Superdome has been the stage for some of the NFL's most memorable moments. In 1978, it hosted Super Bowl XII, where the Dallas Cowboys defeated the Denver Broncos. In 2002, it was home to Super Bowl XXVI, where the New England Patriots claimed their first championship, marking the beginning of a dynasty. Perhaps the most famous of all was the 2013 Blackout Bowl during Super Bowl 47. Shortly after Jacoby Jones's record-breaking 108-yard kickoff return, a power outage caused half the stadium to go dark for 34 minutes. While the delay was caused by a relay device malfunction in a vault a quarter mile from the stadium, the game eventually resumed, and the moment remains one of the most talked about events in Super Bowl history. So what makes the Caesars Superdome such a popular choice for the NFL's biggest game? Its location is one major factor. Situated in New Orleans' central business district, it is within walking distance of over 20,000 hotel rooms and just minutes from the French Quarter and other entertainment areas. This convenience, combined with easy access to transportation and convention facilities, makes the Superdome an ideal venue for both fans and organisers. The stadium's size and design also make it a standout. With a seating capacity of 73,208, expandable to 76,468, it can accommodate large crowds while still providing a comfortable experience. Its 166,180 square foot arena floor offers flexibility for different events, and its advanced lighting and climate control systems ensure that every event runs smoothly. These features make the Superdome a versatile and reliable choice for hosting high-profile events. But even the most iconic stadiums need to keep evolving. And $560 million is being spent on the Caesars Superdome, enough to build an entirely new stadium, like Allegiant Stadium in Las Vegas. So, instead of building a new stadium, the decision was made to update and improve the existing structure, extending its life by at least 25 years and ensuring it stays competitive with modern venues. The renovation was planned and executed by the Louisiana Stadium and Exposition District, LSED, which owns and operates the stadium, in close collaboration with the New Orleans Saints to ensure the upgrades meet the needs of the NFL and the broader community. Funding for the project was a joint effort. The state of Louisiana provided a significant portion of the funds, while the New Orleans Saints contributed as part of their commitment to creating a better experience for fans and players. Caesars Entertainment, the stadium's naming rights sponsor, also played a role by helping secure resources for the project. One of the biggest changes involved removing the large ramp sections on both sides of the building. This freed up 100,000 square feet of additional space without increasing the size of the stadium. The ramps were replaced with 3 spacious atriums filled with natural light, making it easier for fans to move around while giving the interior a more open and modern feel. Getting to your seat is now much faster thanks to 22 new elevators and high-speed escalators that cut travel time to the upper levels from 15 minutes to just 65 seconds. New stairwells also make it easier for large crowds to exit the stadium quickly and safely. Fans will also notice big improvements in their experience. 2 40-yard-long terrace bars have been added, offering more space to socialize, and the new Caesars Legends Club on the 200 level brings a premium option for those looking for an upgraded experience. Grab-and-go dining areas and expanded kitchens make it easier to get food and drinks without long waits. Accessibility has been improved as well. The Superdome now includes 8 new ADA-compliant seating areas, elevators designed for wheelchairs, and better sightlines so all fans can enjoy the game without obstructions. Upgraded Wi-Fi ensures fans stay connected during events. Behind the scenes, team facilities have been upgraded with a more modern locker room, training areas, and 50,000 square feet of additional operational space. These changes improve efficiency for event organisers and teams alike. With these updates, the Caesars Superdome continues to meet the high standards needed to host events like the Super Bowl. By balancing historic preservation with modern upgrades, this renovation ensures the stadium will remain a key part of New Orleans and the NFL for years to come. But the Superdome's legacy goes beyond hosting major events. Its most vital role was not during a championship game, but in a moment of crisis, when it became a lifeline for the people of New Orleans during Hurricane Katrina. In 2005, the Superdome became a shelter of last resort for 25,000 to 30,000 residents. The storm caused extensive damage to the structure, leaving it battered and in need of significant repairs. Yet, in an extraordinary effort, a $185 million restoration project was launched, and the Superdome reopened just 13 months later. This was more than a practical milestone. It became a symbol of the city's recovery and resilience, showing how deeply the stadium is tied to the spirit of New Orleans. Economically, the Superdome is a powerhouse, contributing an estimated $600 million annually to Louisiana's economy. Hosting events like the Super Bowl, which can bring in up to $500 million for the local region, it drives tourism and boosts businesses across the city. Hotels, restaurants and retail stores all benefit from the influx of visitors attending major events. The stadium hosts a packed calendar of marquee attractions, including Saints home games, the Sugar Bowl, the Bayou Classic, the Essence Festival, NCAA tournaments, and high-profile concerts, providing consistent economic activity year-round. Beyond its economic value, the Superdome is a cultural landmark and one of New Orleans' most recognizable symbols. It preserves and celebrates the city's traditions, hosting events like the Essence Festival, which highlights African American culture, and the Bayou Classic, an iconic rivalry between two HBCUs. These events strengthen the community's identity while generating global media attention, further cementing New Orleans' reputation as a top destination for events. From its incredible design to the unforgettable moments it's hosted, the Caesars Superdome stands as a place where history is made. With its $560 million makeover, this iconic stadium is not just preserving its legacy, it's preparing to remain a top venue for years to come. But the real questions are, what team do you think will make history by winning the first Super Bowl in the Superdome's new era? And what's your favourite memory of this legendary stadium? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more MegaBuilds stories.